Hi Sagittarius, I hope you're doing well. So, this is going to be your second half of October reading, and I hope it resonates to you. So, let's get some oracle messages from the universe and see what's coming for you. Okay. Don't worry about your future, everything is to be okay. So, I feel like you are in a stuck in your situation and you feel about what's held for you in the future, but the universe saying that everything is good in the future, but don't worry about your future, right? Financial abundance, it's on its way to you. Beautiful message. Bottom of this deck is you are not meant to know the answer right now. The truth will be revealed in time. Watch out the other signs to get the clear picture of your situation. Okay. So we do have the Six of Cups, Ace of Wands, the Sun, Two of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Fool. For extra message, you have Emperor and Eight of Swords. I told you earlier when the video started that you are in a stuck position and you are in a head. So don't worry about your future, right? Bottom of the deck, we have Knight of Swords. So Sagittarius, what I feel like is there was some type of something with the Six of Cups here, and you are thinking about your past, reminiscing about the past, and it's like it feels good because it just feel like those times were amazing and good, right? With the Ace of Wands here, Nine of Cups here, even like though you had some issues in the past and it was like very small and compared to what you got now. I feel like a lot of you guys may have rushed into some things, and with the people, like some of you guys have the best interest for people, are hurt. Yeah, people are hurting you, but you went into strong and they didn't reciprocate it with the Emperor here and Eight of Swords. Yeah, I feel like for some of you, people are hurting you and didn't reciprocate with you. With the Ace of Wands, you may have even people given people money, all of that, right? Giving you your time, your energy, and it is what you are thinking about now. There are some new beginnings are here, and it's going to be amazing for you with the wish fulfillment that you are going to be receiving, and all of these new opportunities sitting right over this fool's head. Now there are people that's in your recent past are trying to come back. Now there are people that has been recent past are trying to come back in, and you are all going to be a little unsure of how you should approach the situation with the Two of Swords here, with that people that's coming from the past for you, who hurt you in the past. They are coming for some of you. Some of you guys are overthinking right now with the Eight of Swords, right? And you guys are trying to look good. You have been exercising your about your business, about your stubborn as hells with the Emperor. You're stubborn, but you are waiting for the Emperor, and your Emperor is coming. But there's something about the Eight of Swords here that I can't wait to get to it. For some of you who are singles out there, there's a new love is coming for you, but you are in a stuck, you are very stubborn. So there's something that are very stuck in your head energy, and we will find out. Let's clarify and see. Let's clarify and see what this Six of Cups is here. Okay, the Six of Cups clarified with the Four of Pentacles and the Justice. So somebody is not letting you go from your past. And you might be like, well, but they are not. This is just a part of karma. in love relationships. So we are saying you want things to be right and fair, and you don't really know what to do. You want to make the right decisions with somebody else, and somebody holding on to you. It's just a karmic cycle. So let's clarify the Two of Swords. The Two of Swords clarified with the Two of Wands and the Judgment. So what I feel like, you needed to make a decision about something, right? Or in the past you are making that call. Do you know you made that call and it's going to be very profitable for you? This has something to do with your money and finances. It's just a part of your destiny. So let's clarify the Ace of Wands. Why this Ace of Wands is here? Ace of Wands is clarified with the Two of Cups. I feel like some of you that new love is coming in your way. Ace of Pentacles. Definitely there's a new love is coming in your way, or maybe the past person is wanting to come in your way. Who was your wish fulfillment with the Nine of Wands, right? Yes, Star, you are healing. You are very uncertain at this point, and so there's about to be huge opportunities for you with finances and money, or in love. You guys have made your decision on whatever it is. You made your decision on this. Let's clarify the Sun here. The Sun clarified with the Lovers and the Eight of Cups. Yeah, I feel like some of you guys have more than one option. The choice is yours. Somebody from your past or new going to walk away and start something new, but you have options. Clarify the Nine of Cups here. The Nine of Cups clarified with the World and the Page of Cups. So this is definitely an completion or moving on to someone new or something, because I feel like you guys are going to end up meeting someone new that's going to make you happy. Confidence is building, you are happy, and that's why you are doing your self-love right here. Very beautiful messages. So Sagittarius, that's all for the first half of October, and I hope it resonates to you. If it resonates, please hit the subscription button and the red bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.